Hey, ALU Globus here in the factory. This is an assembly station, and we got this work order from a customer of us in Santa Barbara. And what we're doing here, we are doing their assembly from their requested. They have their drawing here, then we take them and we convert it into 2D and 3D if needed. But the 2D for our shop, we have pictures of the job site, and then from there we're going to assemble. This is our universal gate frame with our top and bottom frame. This is what's going to give you that ALU Globus stability. We're building it on the table, beautiful and clean, clamp down. This is our wood grain red oak in frame with a 1/2 inch gap, as you can see. Beautiful finish, matching the fence if needed. So on this project, yes, we have a fence, so we're matching. The top piece is cut to match the fence flow. This is our L piece enclosure here. This is our wide frame system. You can put any lock application you need. And just as this gate, you saw a little bit of assembly going on, we can also send you, there are DIY instructions. You can do it with your contractor or do it as a DIYer. We have options. We can teach you and train you if needed. Any help, we are here to support. If you're a contractor watching in any state, you can become an exclusive vendor for ALU Globus. Provide your customers with beautiful finishes like these ones. Great for zone 0 and great for cold areas and for hot areas. So sun UV, great architectural 7-stage powder coating, and great for cold areas with the water, no rusting. This is 100% aluminum, and all our screws and bolts are stainless steel, which is fantastic. Same thing here. There's about a dozen of installs that are going to go out. Place your hinge. We have our beautiful logo here, ALU Globus. You want your warranty on it. We got a beautiful 7 feet tall here, bombasti. You can see that 3x3 massive. This is also universal system. So this is also ready to roll. You got another 3 here to go, another wood-like. There's another 7 foot, probably same family as that one. I see there's a white one behind here. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, that's a beauty. We got a vertical with our HD gate system. This is actually beige. We got a beige vertical gate system that was built for contractor. So that's a little bit, that was built for a contractor. Fully assembled, fully built. So if you don't have a shop, we have a shop and we'll build it for you. We save you money and time, and you can just go and install it as you go. And then the fencing, you can do it on site because it's going to be assembled on site anyways. But the gate system, if you don't want to have the hassle of doing the universal on site, or it's at the HD, you got to clamp it to a table no matter what, then we'll build it for you. We'll ship it out, or you'll come and pick up. That's a great opportunity. And if you're far away, not a problem. I'll show you in the back. We're building custom boxes. We're pre-assembling and everything. Everything is pre-cut for accordingly sizes, and then you're going to assemble it on your own. So that's another great opportunity that you have. The sizes are always going to come taller, so you can cut down. So here's another gate on halfway process. We will show you also full process. And if you need to know how the full process works, from 2D designs and all the way to the architectural and engineering, we'll send it to you. If you're a contractor, we're open states. You can be a vendor and exclusive installer. So here we're in process. We have our bolts. The bolts go in front and in back. So this is going to give you stability. And again, once again, our frame system, top and bottom. This is how we believe a DIY gate system should be. Should not be depending on a slat. It should be depending on a frame system plus the slats. So this is the most rigid aluminum universal gate DIY system in the market, guaranteed, tested, and proven along the years. So that's another gate that we will show you the process as we go. Let me show you another gate here. So that's a big one. That's a big one. That's our 6-inch TNG. That's a really nice one. That's our heavy duty system with a 4x4 post. This is 11 gauge 4x4 post, and you can see we're talking about 4 feet concrete there. And then you can also add some rebar for support. We'll show you how to do that as well. That's going to give you massive stability, massive support for your double gate. That's probably a single gate going with the same family. There's a couple more gates there. Here we have another work order that we're working on for a customer. We have a 58-inch gate system, white custom color for us, and we got the 2-inch with the 4-inch with our universal frame system, a nice 3x3. So that means there is a fence line. Yep, it's in a fence line. So we have our 3x3. So in ALU Globus, where we're getting you that separation from the market is we have every post for every application: 4x4, 6x6, 3x3, 2.75, 2.5, and 2 inches. That gives you stability for every single project that you're going to go with. Here's another beautiful project that's going to go. This is going to be a really nice one. Yeah, so we have our pictures of your job site. We have guys and all that. All right, so there you go. This is a gate that is already built, going to be wrapped and shipped out to your doorstep. If you're a contractor watching, this was a little bit of our assembly side. Send us your pictures, your work order, we'll break it down into 2D and 3D if needed for free, and get your project in. We'll tell you what pieces you need. You can assemble it yourself or we'll assemble it for you. And now you're able to give your customers ALU Globus products with zero limitation, all aluminum, rust-free, great for Zone Zero. We have all the engineering you need to get that job approved. Architects, we're waiting for you.